We are forming. Move fast. Alright, let's see on the board the definition of the molecule. It means the molecules are made up of two or more atoms combined by chemical reactions. The examples of molecules were for water, carbon dioxide, salt, and the hydrochloric or the hydrogen chloride, the balance. So if you can check on that group, now I could see the camera.
Oh. Iya papa. Aku
So we are going to form some of these molecules. As some of you they have been formed on those tables. As you see, it's the down there. And Lana, she's still busy with some of those. Let us look at the formation. For example, as I have said, somebody is supposed to form the molecule for water on the board. Or shall I do it for you?
Yes.
I can't do for water because it's simple. Let me continue with this. Do another one. Therefore, you see, that is how we are supposed to do it. And then somebody is supposed to do a molecule for water, a water molecule. A water molecule. If you want this dish to be filled, you just refill them. Can you see? If you want to check, where can you find water? Because it is supposed to have 2 hydrogen and 1 oxygen. Here we have got 2 hydrogen and 2 oxygen. It means you can use and then it rejects. Therefore, it means you have to go and find another one. So we have got 2 hydrogens and 1 oxygen, which is water. Can you see? Okay. Somebody's supposed to do that. Who want to do that for us? You discuss as a group and then pick somebody. And then you take the molecule, you put it in water. And then someone can do an oxygen molecule. Someone can do an oxygen molecule. You discuss, and then from that you just give us only one person. Someone to form a molecule. On the right hand side, need to plug in. Okay, here. There are two edges. Boa operație alusa Iacob. Se zberile camera, țai coci, mai tata, so you power coci. So, ladies and gentlemen, you mustn't be shy. And then any group we need other group to the last one, it is nitrogen. That is a molecule. That is a molecule. Sorry. So that is how molecules are being formed. And we have emphasized. We say atoms can be chemically joined to form a pattern. Therefore, it means a molecule is what is called a particle. This particular particle, it is supposed to have 2 or more atoms. Meaning, since we said each atom, it is supposed to have a nucleus. Meaning this particular particle, it is going to have more than how many nucleus? Therefore, it means this one is going to have more nucleus. For an example, water, we said water is a molecule. And then oxygen has got its nucleus for its own. And then we have got the 2 hydrogens. It means this one it has got another nucleus. And then this one it has got also another nucleus. Meaning water has got about 3 nucleus. It has got 3 nucleus. Are we together? Yes. Then I have given you some work. Please let us focus on that work. We are answering. Question 8. We discuss and come with the same solution. Which of these has no electrical charges? Which of these has no electrical charge? Which of these has no electrical charge? Which of these has no electrical charge? You discuss as a group, meaning you come with the same solution. Why are you saying it, Judge? It is because, why are you saying because you don't have the best solution? What do you ask? See. Why are you saying it? See. It is because each charge is 0. How should we get it? Electrons. Why electrons? Electrons are for negatively charged. Now, capacitor, it doesn't have any charge. One answer 8. So let us move on. There are some people who can do the next collection. The next collection. Your group, it hasn't been represented. 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 Therefore, it means it's either yours or that was a we need somebody to show us those molecules. Nitrous oxide. Nitrous oxide. Nitrous oxide. Nitrous oxide. Nitrous oxide. That's good. And then another group. Tetrafluoroboron. Which group? Now we are left with which group? Yabonkonda, this one, and that one. You just choose. You just choose any molecule that you can form. Do quick. Yeah, risponda solo te.
Ang kita ng kakak ko.
Vuole sai che si fa bene.
Wala
Oh no. Let's just think at this. Let's shit it say.
And therefore the correct answer, it is B. Let us discuss. The main reason, it's a question which of the following is a molecule made up of two atoms of the same element? The short number elements, they have to be the same. They have to be the same. That's why it is B, the correct answer. Some of you, Dana Jiban Tabakombe A by 11, Bandabakombe D by 12, and then Bandaba Konebu Komba B, they are 4. So, the reason the correct answer is B. It is because it has got two elements which are the same. Okay, let us go to the next question. Let us go to the next question.
Zindo.
Let us go to the next question.
Nakuvele kakhulu la.
And then the second question, it says the water molecule has a chemical formula. The water molecule has a chemical formula H2O. This means that water molecule is made up of, please let me have the correct answer. All right, let us look at the correct answer. It is the correct answer is C. Particle. Dr. C. Sibene bantu number 24 number the correct answer, and then munye lokhomba F-D, munye lokhomba D, 17 hasta pone parita. The reason sitting it is C. The subscripts of hydrogen, there are 2. And then the subscript of oxygen is 1. Right? Let us go to the next question. Another question. Which of the following is the molecule made up of? Okay, so did it. Alright, let us. And then we also did that one. Atoms can be bound with each other to form a chemical unit called a. What is the definition of those? What is being shown on the board? Answer yako mbanda. Apa klik apa? Toko nak sedih. Observe and go far. Do.